Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD, work from home jobs, PGT, TGT, and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like, and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the multiple colleges. Okay, so here the only postgraduates also few positions are there, and the candidates who are having the UGC or PhD also few positions are there, and the huge number of subjects are also covered here. So there is no application fee and no written examination mostly, and the interview, the selection will be based upon the direct interview, and few colleges are providing the UGC pay scales. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is the paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so here we are going to see the recruitment notifications from the 9 different types of colleges. So out of the 9, it is the first one we are going to see. So it is Avinashalingam Institute for Home Science and the Higher Education for Women. So in this one, we are having the few vacancies are there regarding this biomedical instrumentation engineering and computer science and electronics and communication, food processing and preservation, printing technology, food processing, and the engineering. Okay, so you may check down here the post cadres as well as the departmental wise also given here in the assistant professor, computers, electronics, and food processing. Okay, and the printing technology and the mathematics, the vacancies are there. Eligibility and each and everything as per the ACT or the UGC norms, and the last date is 10 days from the date of the advertisement. Okay, and for more details you may visit the official website of this college, guys. Here the email ID is also provided. So if you are having any queries regarding this recruitment notification, then here the contact numbers are also there, so you may contact these numbers. Okay, and coming to the second college, so it is the second college we are going to see. So Arulmigu College of Education, and in this college here we got the recruitment notifications regarding the departments of Tamil, English, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Zoology, Botany, Psychology, Sociology, Home Science, History, Commerce, Computer Science, and Philosophy. While coming to the qualifications, MA or MSc and MEd with first class, NET or SLET or PhD. If the education in the education, it will be preferred. Okay, and the interested candidates may apply by post or else send email within the 10 days. And here the contact number you may check down, as well as the mail ID is also provided. Okay, that I am going to show you. Yeah. So it is the mail ID, guys, anandakrishnaveni@gmail.com, and the contact number is also given. And coming to the next one is Kerala Academy for Skills Excellence. So it is from the government of Kerala. Applications are invited from qualified candidates for appointment in the following posts on the contract basis. Associate faculty as well as assistant faculty vacancies are there in the Department of IT Integrated Communication Design and integrated textile and apparel design, as well as integrated lifestyle product design. And if you want to get the complete details, education qualifications, and all these things, you have to visit the official website of this one. So printout or hard copy will not be accepted. You need to apply only through the online applications only. And the online application starting date is 22nd December and the closing date is 5th Jan 2022. And next one is BT Common Institute of Technology, so Uttarakhand. And in this one we got the recruitment vacancies regarding the departments of chemical, civil, computers, electronics, electrical, mechanical, and MCA, and the qualifications and each and everything as per the ACT or the UGC norms. And separate applications are to be filled for each post. Application fee in the form of demand draft of 1500 rupees and 1000 rupees for the SC/ST in favor of a director BTKIT, and you need to payable to this one. The applicant must mention the name of the post applied for on the top of the envelope, and the complete application form in all aspects must reach the director BT Common Institute of Technology on or before 15th Jan 2022. Fine. And here the official website is also given here, so interested candidates may check down. Next one is Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics. In this one, the assistant professor one vacancy is there for the OBC category on regular basis under the Population Research Center in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. And this one, regarding this details, that means if you belongs to this department or else a subject, you may visit the official website of this one, that is the gape.ac.in. And coming to the next one is Surya Datta College of Management, Information Research and Technology. So here the associate professor and the assistant professor vacancies are there in the departments of Commerce, BCom, MCom, BBA, and Electronics, Mathematics, Statistics, Computer Programming Languages, and BSc in Cyber and Digital and Animation, Hospitality and Studies, and in Commerce, as well as in BA Psychology and Economics, English, History, Librarian, Physical Director, Japanese, French, Japanese, and German, Spanish, English, soft skills, and the public speaking vacancies are there. And pay scales as per the SPPU and as per the service rules of the SEF. So how to apply means apply within 15 days by sending your detailed resume, color photo, and self-certified photocopy of all relevant documents by post to the Director HR Admin SEF or email to the careers@suryadatta.edu.in. Okay. And for more information and to download the faculty application form, you need to visit the official website of this college, that is suryadatta.org. And coming to the next one is IMS Engineering College from Ghaziabad. So here the CS Professor, Associate, and Assistant Professor vacancies are there in the department of CS, CSC, CST, or the IT, ME, and the EC professors are required. And apart from this one, the non-teaching vacancies are also there. So qualifications are as per the AICTE norms, guys. Okay. And interested candidates may visit the official website of this college and then start applying. And the walk-in interview time is also given here, so you may check down, guys. Okay. And coming to the next college is Indraprastha Engineering College. Here the Professor, Associate, and Assistant Professor vacancies are there in the departments of Computer Science and Information Technology, Mathematics, and the English. Okay, so qualification experience as per the AICTE norms, and the non-teaching vacancies are also there. You may check down here. Interested candidates may apply within the 7 days from the official website only, that is ipec.org.in careers. And here the contact numbers are also given here. If you are having any queries, you may contact any one of this number. And from IPM Ghaziabad, so here the vacancies are there: Principal for Law Academy and Faculty for BA LLB, BCom LLB, and the Professor, Associate, and Assistant Professor vacancies for the Management IT Education for UG as well as the PG, BCom and BJ Assistant Professor required, as well as the Receptionist, Counselor, and the Computer Lab Assistants are required. So qualifications and salary as per the UGC or the state government norms, guys. Candidates may send their CV as per the proforma at IPM website through the email post along with the testimonials and 2 passport size photographs within the 15 days. And here the address is also given, the contact number is also there. Fine. So to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in Electronics and Communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else what you call paid courses Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So I may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want